Hello, my name is Sandy Issler. This is my puppy Blush. Today we are going to talk about the Controlled Unleashed Foundation behavior known as take a breath. So why would we teach a dog take a breath? Well, the advantage of take a breath is just like us, when we take a deep cleansing breath, it will calm our nervous system, all right? And the same thing happens with the dog. So the benefits are there for both of us. And actually, when we both learn to take a breath together, it's kind of a nice, fun, bonding way to just kind of relax together. The other thing that we can do with take a breath is use it as a metric when we're working with our dogs. When we're getting ready to maybe start some training session or something, we could ask them, can you focus on me and take a breath? Kind of have a conversation, see how things are going. And if the dog's answer to that question is yes, I can, we're probably pretty much ready to go. They're probably below threshold, in the thinking zone, ready to focus on the work. If the answer is no, I can't possibly, they're maybe over threshold, a little stressed, a little anxious. So that's information for us to take their answer and then take a look at our antecedents, our environment. Is there something we can do to reduce that distraction or level, stressor? And see if we can bring them back down into the thinking zone. Ask them again if they can take a breath, and if they can focus and do it, then they're in a much better place. So it can be used for that as well. So there's several ways to teach take a breath. What we're going to be focusing on is watching the dog's nose. So we're looking for nostril flares. Sometimes it's little curly things going on back up here behind the nose. Some dogs may close their nose and take a breath. But that's what we're going to be looking for. So how can we get that? There's kind of two ways. One is to use air scenting, where you have something stinky and you start to observe the dog kind of air scenting and capturing that and giving them the treat. I actually prefer the mimicking or mimicking me method, where I'm going to hold a treat to my nose, take a breath, watch her nostrils, mark it with a good, and then give her a treat. We don't use a clicker here because clickers can get dogs, especially the clicker savvy ones, kind of jacked up and all excited. And we want calmness here. So I'm going to take a treat, hold it up by my nose, and then I'm going to feed it to her. So at first I'm just going to set up this pattern of treat at my nose, treat to her mouth, so she knows what's coming. Now I'm going to put it up by my nose, take a good. When she breathes, give her a little quiet marker, good, and then give her the treat. Good. 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 All right. So as time goes on, they're going to start to take deeper and deeper breaths once they kind of catch on to this game and catch on to the fact that we're just asking them to breathe and they're getting a treat. So it'll be easier and easier to see. And so I'll make another video where we're going to be a little bit closer to Blush's nose, where you can actually see those nostril flares. All right. Thank you. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Good. Breathe.